Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric? Here's a tech-savvy Hyundai Kona Electric, the subcompact crossover designed for a new generation of travelers. Sophisticated and versatile, this small SUV makes driving fun with instant, smooth acceleration and agile handling. Plus, an impressive range takes the worry out of charging. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane keeping assist, keyless start, electronic stability control, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control. Feel optimistic about the future when you're behind the wheel of this earth-friendly Kona Electric. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.